Y'all see that? 436 pieces. Let's go. Yeah, I already opened it. Two, three, four. What did I get myself into? Yeah. And then the instruction book. Let's see what we can do with this. It's pretty nifty. Y'all can't see it. Deadly. Oh well, y'all get the idea. It's Iron Man. It's a bust. A Lego set at that. Let's go with bag number one first. Where's my... Yeah. So, it's been a while since I made a YouTube video. It's been a while since I cut a bag, apparently. But we're going to do this. We're going to have fun. We're going to chit-chat. Y'all going to hear me go crazy. Because this is going to get on my last nerves. I already know it will. Lego puller. That's pretty cool. Different. But y'all sit back and enjoy while I go absolutely crazy. Because I really shouldn't do this. But I'm going to anyway. Yeah. Yeah. Make a mess. Oh. Alrighty. What did I get myself into? Seriously, what did I get myself into? Ain't nothing to it but to do it now. So, roll up them sleeves and let's go. Y'all see me on camera in my face. Excuse it. I'm ugly, I know. I ain't worried about it. My mama like me. She don't love me, but she like me. I'm just joking. So I'm probably like gonna put this stuff together and talk about it a little bit. Let me move my chair because I feel like I'm... Oh. Yeah, this is new. So y'all work with me. Alright. What am I doing? But I bought this Lego set off of Amazon for like $40. I remember back in the day when I was a kid. I'm not a kid now, but I act like one. But when I was a kid, you could find Legos for like $10, and it was some good Lego sets. Now they're expensive and hard to find. This is what I got so far. We'll see where it goes. Things that I used to do growing up. I actually used to love doing Lego sets and all that. I remember I used to buy them, and I would sit in the back seat of my dad's car and see how fast I could put a Lego set together. It would be like something small, maybe 40 pieces, 30 pieces, something like that. But from the time I bought it to the time we would get to his house, we would see how long it took me to put it together. And if I didn't make any mistakes, if everything held up, I can tell you for first-hand experience, putting together a Lego in the back of a moving car is not very easy. But somehow I did it. Don't ask me how, because I don't know that answer. I just did. Would I ever do it again? Probably not. I guess I need to open this bag too. Smart one. Yeah, it's been a long time since I've done this, but yeah, 5 minutes in and I'm not bored yet. This is kind of cool though. I mean, I like Iron Man, seen the movies. Uh, Pretty cool. My favorite movies. But yeah, I saw this and I was like, you know what? I need that. I need to try it. So I bought it. I wouldn't really recommend buying these if you're not, you know, able to do them. Not that anyone in this world is not able to put together a Lego, but when your time is stretched between working and taking care of a disabled parent, it does kind of get a little difficult. But it's all right. And I guess I need the other piece before I put that on there. I'm gonna learn eventually. Maybe. Possibly. I doubt it. But y'all are with me. And y'all are watching. So, y'all ain't too far behind me. But, alright. So, and that's just the first 5 steps to make this. I got a lot to go. Am I going to put all this together at one time? Absolutely not. The next time you see the second part of this video, is it going to probably look and sound a lot different? Probably. I am definitely going to try to figure out a better way to set up the camera, which I'm actually using my phone. And yes, I have a camera that I bought just for filming, and I'm not using it. Why? Because I'm weird. I don't know. I don't really like the camera so far. And I gotta figure out where this piece is. Oh, right here. Duh. If I would use my eyeballs. Yeah, I should have spaced these out. I told you I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm going to go crazy trying to find these pieces. Yeah. I don't know. Shut it. Y'all can laugh at me. I don't care because I'm gonna laugh at myself. You gotta laugh at yourself every now and then, right? You gotta enjoy life. Bingo! Found it. Do I enjoy every part of my life? Absolutely not. I hate waking up early in the morning going to work, but I do it. And that's another reason why these videos are going to be a little bit harder for me to post on a regular basis. And it's going to take me a long time to do things. So far, here we are. We're moving to step 7 now, which is going to be working on these 2 sides here. Simple. I'll find some way to mess it up. Oh, what do you know? I didn't. But, I used to just do this all the time as a kid. And it was so much fun back then. And it's still kind of fun now that I'm getting back into it. But I'm not going to talk your ear off. Y'all just watch. Uh-huh. Okay. So you're watching this. Did you do this as a kid? Did you go out and buy Legos and put them together and see how long it took? And what kind of Legos did you all like to put together growing up, if you did? You can leave that in the comment section below if you want to. And you can like this video. You can subscribe to my channel if you want to keep following along and see what I do here. It's up to you. Completely up to you. I'm not going to make my channel where I'm worried about how many subs I get, how many likes, how many views. I'm just doing this for me. I'm doing this for me, just to give me something else to do, to clear my mind, chit chat, talk to myself like I always do, which is weird. But, you know, someone is going to watch these videos, and somebody may need an idea for a kid or for themselves. And this is something you can probably do with more than just one person. You can help each other out, build stuff, fun things, fun. What we all seem to forget to do in this world now is have fun. But we get older, and what used to be fun is no longer fun. And I'm going back to shutting up. If y'all have made it through the 14 minutes so far and y'all haven't left yet, I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. You mean something to me and this world. So, and if no one's told you today, I love y'all. Whoever's watching, someone loves you. It's me, a no-name individual that you'll probably never know. But we all go through things in life. Sometimes you just need to be told you're special. Yeah, so far so good. You know, this is actually not that bad. I was for sure that this was going to be brutal trying to put this together. But it's not. Yet, anyway. We're just getting started, baby. So, not bad. I have no idea what part this is. I'm going to say it's probably the base. If you've put this together before, y'all are definitely some gangsters. Because 400-piece puzzles or a Lego set. It's crazy to me to think that we've come that far. From the days of like 10 and 20-piece kits Is it that? It can't be. Oh, well, I guess it is. This is where it gets hard. Yeah. This is where your brain power starts kicking in. And seeing as how I really don't have that much. Well, if I just put it on there and stopped worrying about it, it would have fit. Dummy. Shut up. I hear y'all over laughing. Shut it. Zip it. I hear you giggling. Like I said, we're here to have fun though. So laugh away. We are 18 minutes in, and this is the completion of step 17. Oh, 18 is going to what? Y'all see this? Barely, because my thumb is in the way. Do y'all see 5 steps for one section? 5. Oh my goodness. Well, am I gonna do it? Yep. Why? Because I like to torture. So this time though, I'm gonna try to get all the pieces that I need together. So I'm not hunting them down. All right, I think I got everything. We're gonna find out. I know y'all like are probably cringing right now, but it's a YouTube video. What else is there to do? What? Where is my lens? Oh, duh. Stupid. I don't use my camera on my phone very much. So, and it's setting in a very weird angle right now. It's like so awkward for me to look to a side that I'm not used to looking at. Because I forget it's even there. Oh well. Well, we got it. How about that? Now I gotta figure out exactly how. Oh, okay. So I put it together this way. And I install it this way. What? What is wrong with this stuff? Okay. So far, that's what it looks like. Weird. Yeah. Y'all know the more I do this, the better I'm going to get at the angles and the visuals. But at the same time, I might just keep doing it like this because I'm not a professional anything, and I don't really want to be. Not really. Now that I think about it, I really don't want to be a pro at anything. Life. I'm a pro at life. Yes, it's weird sitting in a room putting together Legos on camera by yourself with no one to talk to. Hush. Y'all talk to yourself too. Don't say you don't talk to yourself. I know you do. I hear you over talking to yourself right now. I ain't gonna tell you what you're saying, but I can hear you. Yeah. So put these 3 pieces on. And that right there. This is actually pretty cool. I actually am starting to enjoy this. Even with you watching me. Even with you laughing at me. Or with me. Whichever way makes you feel better. Laugh at me. Laugh with me. It's all the same to me. Because if you're having a good time, then I'm having a good time. So, if you're laughing at me, thank you for laughing at me. If you're laughing with me, thank you for laughing with me. And now back to the regular scheduled programming of my brain going crazy. Because my brain, my poor old brain, is mush. I told you I'm gonna do weird and random stuff on here. Hush. Does it? Okay, so I guess we're supposed to go under here like so. Yeah. That's what it said. Okay. Well, alrighty. Well, alright then. Alright, so. This isn't too bad. Yet. Not as bad as I thought it was going to be for now. Yeah, I knew that was going to happen. Why are you breaking stuff? Can you just work with me, Lego, please? And stay where I put you? Pump. So, as I keep building this, and I know that's going to happen a whole lot, is it's going to break and I'll put something in the wrong spot. I will start to lose my I don't even know, because I ain't cool. I'll lose my crazy, or my crazy will kick in. Whatever. I'm losing it now. I have been awake since 5 o'clock this morning, so. My life in a nutshell. Hey, it looks like we're almost done with this first bag. That's pretty cool. This might be the bottom half of Iron Man himself. Kind of looks like shoulders. I guess we'll find out. Because I don't know. I'm just putting it together. I'm just over here looking at photos like it is an instruction book, but there's no words. So I can do it. Yeah, buddy. Not too bad. Maybe when I get done with it, I'll flip the camera and get some close-up shots so that you can actually see it a lot better than what you're seeing it now. Maybe. I'm pretty sure I will, but I don't know. Then again, time will tell. Oh yeah, see, this is gonna get on my nerves. It goes there, so go there, dork. Well, you know, maybe if I do it right. If I just let the piece do what the piece is supposed to do and quit trying to force it, it would work. We are on step 28 already. Good God. All right. This really is not that. I mean, it's really not difficult at all. On a scale from 1 to 10, I would say 2, definitely. For now, a 2. Just because I'm still figuring everything out. But y'all leave me alone. God dang it. Let me learn. Alright. Let me do this by myself. I know what I'm doing. Not really. But I do enjoy you all watching for 30 minutes if you've lasted this long. And again, if you're here, I appreciate you. Thank you. If you watched a little bit and decided this ain't for you, you'll never know. But thank you for being here anyway, for the time you were. I don't know how far that's supposed to go in. Alright. I guess it doesn't matter. Just put it together, stupid. Shut up. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, y'all. Leave me alone. Alright. Looks like a sandwich. A little sandwich. Yeah, I knew that was gonna come off. Is this supposed to clip? Stupid. I told you. I'm not. I have no idea what I'm doing. Alright. Oh, this is gonna be a challenge. No, not bad. Alright. There's that. I think this is his shoulder. I think I'm building the actual bottom half of his whole suit, and now I gotta do the same steps all over again. Cool, but I know how to do it this time, so we be all right. We will be all right until I get to the part that I got to last time, and we won't be all right. So far so good. See, I almost messed up. I just did this, so it's like, I should be able to do it with my eyes closed, but nah, that would be way too easy. Even though I'm doing it with my eyes closed, basically. I am hardly looking at what I'm doing. Alright. And then this will go this way onto here. And there you go. And with the exception of 3 spare pieces, extra pieces, bag number 1 is complete. So, with that, truly thank you guys for sticking around and watching this part of it. I'm going to end this here because I don't want to make these videos too long and drawn out, but we're going to get some close-ups. Looks pretty cool. Alright, that's enough for today. Thank you guys. I'm going to keep these short. I'm not going to make 2-hour long videos. Try not to anyway, but thank you guys for watching and see y'all next time.